Okay, first what we have to do is we have to open our Facebook page in which we have to stream the live stream in a browser. I am using Firefox. If you are using Chrome, it's your wish. You can use any browser, but I don't recommend Internet Explorer. Just use Chrome or Brave or Firefox, and then you have to download this OBS Studio. It is a very easy software to download. You just if you just type OBS Studio in Google, you can just go inside it and you can download Windows. If you click on it, you can easily download the OBS software. So you can download it and install it. After you're installing it, when you open this software, you will see this kind of screen. Sometimes you will see this kind of screen. If you see this kind of screen, just click on studio mode. If you click on studio mode, you will get this screen. Then what you have to do is come to the scene, click a plus, scene 2. Rename it as media. Click OK. Then click media, click this plus icon. Since we want to stream an already recorded media source, just click on media source and click OK. So it will ask which is the location of the file which you want to stream. So click browse and just select whatever you want to. For example, I want to stream this song 1, which is pre-recorded in Facebook as live. So I click open and click OK. Now it is added in media source. Now click scene. Now in this preview, you will see what the preview is. In program, you will see what is going on live. So now what you do is go to settings. In settings, go to stream. In stream, you can see service. In service, it is in Twitch. Click go to Facebook live. Leave the server in default. You won't see any stream key. Now give get stream key. When you give get stream key, it will take you to a new Facebook create live page. Yes, it is logged in my Facebook and you get this icon, create live stream. Okay, my internet is a little slow. Okay. Now what you do is you copy this stream key. Do not show your stream key to anyone. Do not share your stream key. Go to OBS, paste your stream key. Click apply. Click OK. Go to Facebook. It is in specific friends, but I recommend friend is Sadish. If my specific friend is Sadish, only Sadish can see my live. So I usually test it in this mode. If I give live now, only Sadish can see me live. So I'll just start a live session, call my friend Sadish and ask whether everything is okay or not. If my friend is not with me, I'll just click only me so that only I can see the live. Now give a title. I'll just name song. If you want, you can tell something about the song. Now I don't want anything, so I just type something. And you see the go live button is not showing. Now what you have to do is make sure you are connected to the internet. I'm connected. Start streaming. When you give start streaming, you will see a green box. If it is red, it means the connection is not correct. If it is in orange or yellow, the connection is okay. If it is in green, the connection is good. Now my connection is poor. My area is not a good in connection. So now if you go, you can see go live button. So click go live. So now it is connecting to live video, and now I am live. In this place you can see all the live comments which is processing. Now why it is not showing anything? Because I have not done anything. Now click on media and click transition button. If you click it, now the video is live. Since my network is very poor, it is taking a long time. If you have a good network, it will be so smooth. As I told you, the live is now going. Since I'm having a very bad network, it is not as good as always. So if you want to end the live, it's live. It's a pre-recorded video, but still I'm streaming it live in Facebook. Just click end live video and the video will end. And if you want, you can just rate it. If you want to delete, you can delete it. It's up to you. Go to OBS, click stop streaming. Sorry. That's all. You click stop streaming, so now it stopped. That's how you do a Facebook live. Quality of the broadcast was good. View post. This is my post. If you have a good internet connection, it will be very smooth. You can add for slides in between. If you want to know about that, just ask me so that I can tell you more. Thank you.